your life.
Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to Amul India Facebook page. I'm Shamli from Shamli's Bake Creations at Thane West. I hope you remember me. Yes, we are back on Amul India page after a long time. We've been doing a lot of videos on Amul Marathi page. और अमूल मराठी के पेज पे बहुत से नॉन महाराष्ट्रन व्यूअर्स भी थे जो हमारा वीडियो देख रहे थे एंड देवर लाइक कि मैम हिंदी में या इंग्लिश में बात कीजिए. सो टुडे हियर वी आर टू कंडक्ट अ वीडियो जहाँ पे लैंग्वेज बैरियर तो फूड में वैसे भी नहीं होता, टेस्टी फूड होता है तो कोई भी रेसिपी हमेशा लोग ट्राई करते हैं. एंड आई एम थैंकफुल टू ऑल ऑफ यू कि आपने अमूल मराठी के पेज पे भी हमको फॉलो किया, हमारी रेसिपीज ट्राई किए और इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स आपने हमें दिया. So with all the response and because we love to show you our recipes and to connect with you people, we are back here again on Amul India's page to show you a very beautiful recipe. It's my favorite. किसी ने मुझे पूछा था when I was traveling somewhere कि what is your favorite thing to bake, and I had said a chocolate fudge cake. It's my all-time favorite. And अभी Father's Day आ रहा है Sunday को. We always celebrate women, we always celebrate mothers, but fathers and men are equally important and we all know that, we value that. So just a single day is obviously not enough to celebrate any relationship, but you can make that day special by baking our today's chocolate fudge cake. It's flavorful, it's rich and it's very moist and it's perfect for any celebration and occasion. तो मैं आपको पूरा रेसिपी बताऊंगी राइट फ्रॉम द स्पंज टू द आइसिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू मेक एंड आल्सो हाउ टू आइस द केक. आई नो वी हैव लेस टाइम बट आई हैव मेड ऑल द प्रिपरेशन सो यू डोंट नीड टू वरी. ऑफ कोर्स वी आर गोइंग टू यूज अमूल्स वंडरफुल प्रोडक्ट्स, अमूल्स चॉकलेट, अमूल का दही और अमूल का बटर का इस्तेमाल करेंगे हम लोग. मैंने अनसॉल्टेड यूज किया है, अगर आप सॉल्टेड यूज कर रहे हैं तो रेसिपी में कहीं भी सॉल्ट मत डालिए. ऑलराइट, so let's just get started with today's recipe, my favorite and I'm pretty sure most people's favorite, a chocolate fudge cake. Alright, I'm getting all the ingredients. Meanwhile, please join in quickly so that I can start with the recipe.
Many people are watching and many people have joined in. Farooq Guliwala, Saroj, Raju Kota, Vandana Abadwa, Sneha Mangaukar, Kavita Lunia, Swati Das Gupta, Kashish कुकडेजा, अमिता मेहरोत्रा, Jaya Arora,
Okay.
Miss Leslie. Yes, everyone is saying hi, hello.
Hello, hi everyone. So there are three parts to this recipe. One is of course making the beautiful moist chocolate cake, and of course it's going to be eggless. So all you vegetarians, you don't need to worry. आपको और नॉन वेजिटेरियंस जो अंडा खाते हैं उनको पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि ये एगलेस केक है करके. इट्स दैट मॉइस्ट एंड डिलिशियस एंड ऑफ कोर्स एडिंग बटर टू द केक विल टेक इट टू दैट लेवल कि वो बहुत टेस्टी लगेगा. सो इट्स एन एगलेस चॉकलेट फज केक एंड द फर्स्ट पार्ट इज ऑफ कोर्स मेकिंग द स्पंज. द सेकेंड पार्ट इज द आइसिंग फॉर इट एंड द थर्ड इज द लेयरिंग ऑफ द केक, फिनिशिंग ऑफ द केक. ऑलराइट, सो मैं शुरुआत सेकेंड पार्ट से करूंगी जिसमें मैं पहले आपको आइसिंग बना के दिखा रही हूँ. You can of course use microwave for this process, but I'm quickly going to show it to you on the gas क्योंकि सबके घर पे माइक्रोवेव नहीं होता है.
Miss Manjula Prasad, Sangeeta Gupta, Sadarsan, Dipti, Sagarika Singh. Sagarika Singh is saying love your recipes.
Thank you Sagarika.
Swagata Tintin Banerjee is also watching us.
All right. So Amul fresh cream, ठीक है. This is 125 ml of Amul fresh cream. गैस को बिल्कुल स्लो रखिए, डोंट कीप योर फ्लेम हाई. And you just have to bring it to a boil. मेरा इंडक्शन है, ये बहुत क्विकली हो जाता है. And now in this we are going to add 200 grams, all right, 1 second. Yeah. So in this we are going to add around 200 to 250 grams of dark chocolate. Okay, I have used a 55% chocolate. Amul has a 55% chocolate, 75 भी आता है, so you can definitely try that. If not, use a milk chocolate, that's also fine. But use a good quality eating chocolate, alright? जो आपको खाने को पसंद है ऐसा चॉकलेट का इस्तेमाल कीजिए. एंड इस क्रीम में आपको इसको स्टर करना है. इसी के साथ मैं इसमें बटर डाल रही हूँ, 2 टेबलस्पून ऑफ बटर. और जो क्रीम हमने बॉईल किया है उसके हीट में ये सब अच्छे से डिसॉल्व हो जाएगा. सो just stir evenly till all the chocolate and the butter dissolves. The butter adds a lovely shine to the icing. That is the reason we are adding the butter.
Miss Nikita is asking, are you using a dark chocolate or compound, and how much?
I'm not using a compound. This is Amul's pure chocolate. As I said, 55%, 75%, 90%. So this is the percentage of cocoa which is present in the chocolate, okay? The pure form of chocolate. आप compound भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. That's up to you. This is a rich decadent cake for special occasions. So I'm using a good quality pure chocolate. It's the cocoa butter that gives the smoothness in the chocolate, okay? जब आप compound इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो compound has vegetable fat in it, which leaves a little bit of fattiness on your tongue. But cocoa butter melts at your blood temperature, and that is why it gives you a very smooth texture in your mouth. Right? तो मेरा फ्लेम बहुत लो पे था एंड मीनवाइल आई हैव बीन स्टरिंग दिस. ओके, आप देख सकते हैं, देखिए पूरा मेल्ट हो गया है. ऑलराइट, इट्स विजिबल. या सो इट्स ऑल मेल्टेड एंड इट्स ऑल डन. नाउ दिस गोज फॉर कूलिंग. ये अभी आप देखेंगे तो लिक्विड ही है. ओके, इट्स कंबाइंड इनटू अ नाइस मिक्सचर. इट्स लिक्विड ही. हमें इसको सेट करना है पूरा, सो वील कीप इट असाइड.
नवरत्न सिंह तोमर, सविता सरोडे, ज्योत्सना कुमार, शालिनी मौर्य, सोनिया शर्मा, नंदा प्रकाश, ज्योति अनिल महेश्वरी. हेलो एवरीवन.
Right? So just moving aside the induction. Now time to make the cake. I'm pretty sure everybody is excited for this. क्योंकि हमेशा वो लोग पूछते हैं मैम रेसिपी बताइए, मैम रेसिपी बताइए. So we've already shared a vanilla cake recipe long time ago. We've also shared many other tea cake recipes. So you can definitely follow us on Instagram and Facebook, Shamli's Bake Creations, and also our videos on Amul page. So you can follow those. आज के लिए chocolate fudge cake recipe, a very moist eggless chocolate cake. All right. I think the icing was fairly simple. Good quality chocolate. So 1 part chocolate, 2 parts chocolate, 1 part cream, and little bit of butter. Okay. चलिए. I'm pretty sure you all want to write this down. तो मैं recipe आपको I'm going to share the ingredients first. This is maida, 180 grams of maida, 180 grams of caster sugar, baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon दही का इस्तेमाल किया है मैंने, 100 grams of दही. Then this is butter. This is 100 grams of butter. Cocoa powder is 30 grams. Approx 200 to 250 ml पानी लगेगा. टू मेक द स्पंज नाइस रिच एंड टू एनहांस द फ्लेवर ऑफ चॉकलेट कॉफी पाउडर का इस्तेमाल किया है मैंने. तो ये कॉफी पाउडर मैं पानी में ऐड करूंगी and of course it will dissolve. So we are going to use this water. Coffee brings out the flavor of chocolate, and then vanilla essence, little bit of salt. All right, fairly simple. So अब this butter. आप जब भी कोई बेकिंग कर रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले आपको आपका अवन प्री हीट करना है. सो प्री हीट योर अवन एट 160 और 170 डिग्रीज. ऑलराइट, जिसमें आपको ये केक बेक करना है. ठीक है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई एम यूजिंग अ राउंड टिन. तो जिस टिन में आप केक बनाने वाले हैं उससे भी प्रिपेयर करके रखना है. फेयरली सिंपल. मैंने एक बटर पेपर लिया है इसी के साइज का, और हम थोड़ा सा बटर इस्तेमाल करेंगे. ओके, सो दैट यू कैन स्टिक द पेपर टू द बॉटम. बटर पेपर इज द सेफेस्ट ऑप्शन. अगर नहीं हो तो बटर लगा के थोड़ा सा मैदा डस्ट कर दीजिए आप. यू कैन डू दैट एज वेल. Tin ready. Okay, oven is preheating, tin is ready. Now let's get started with the recipe. मैंने butter already bowl में लिया है and caster sugar. I'm adding around half teaspoon of salt. Salt enhances the flavor of chocolate again. So be free to add salt. और बहुत इजीली हम विस्क का इस्तेमाल करके करेंगे, तो कुछ फैंसी नहीं है. आपका बटर बस सॉफ्ट होना चाहिए, इसका ध्यान रखिए. एंड जस्ट मिक्स मिक्स मिक्स. Now this is mixed in. अब इसमें हम दही डालेंगे. बटर बहुत सॉफ्ट इस्तेमाल कीजिए. ओके, नो कोल्ड बटर. एंड जस्ट मिक्स दिस. Scrape the bowl. इसमें मैं थोड़ा सा वनीला एसेंस डालूंगी. Just 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And now beat this quite well till all the sugar and the butter and the dahi just mixes properly. अच्छे से बीट कीजिए इसको. Alright. अब ये जो पानी है मेरे पास 200 ml of water. I have mixed some coffee in it, so I am going to add that. अब आप ये ऐड करेंगे तो आपको थोड़ा सा कर्डल जैसा लगेगा मिक्सचर. डोंट वरी. ओके, ये डाल दिया. एंड नाउ मैदा, कोको पाउडर, baking soda 1 teaspoon and baking powder 1 teaspoon. And now gently, patiently mix. There's a very lovely aroma of coffee and the chocolate, vanilla. I've switched to a spatula and as you can see, ये देखिए, the batter is nice and done. Okay, ये आपके बैटर का कंसिस्टेंसी होगा. Okay, कर्डल लग रहा था, मिक्सिंग मुश्किल था. Don't worry, it all comes together in the end. It's a one bowl recipe. Okay. And now जो टिन हमने प्रिपेयर किया था हम उसमें सारा बैटर डालेंगे. I've used a 7-inch pan. This recipe is good for a 7-inch pan. Okay, just spread it. And tap your batter, tin a little bit so that if there are any air pockets, it will just come up, right? So now this goes in the oven for baking, alright? It takes around 30 to 35 minutes, minimum 30 to 35 minutes लगेंगे आपको. शायद ज़्यादा भी लग सकते हैं, 40-45 भी लग सकते हैं. But at a 30-minute mark, टूथपिक डाल के सेंटर में आप चेक कीजिए क्योंकि हर ओवन अलग होता है, हर ओवन का टेम्परेचर थोड़ा बहुत वेरी करता है. तो एट 160 और 170 डिग्रीज टेम्परेचर 30 to 35 मिनट्स. एट 30 मिनट्स टूथपिक डाल के चेक कीजिए. अगर क्लीन निकलता है तो आपका केक रेडी है. इफ इट्स लिटिल सॉगी तो और 5-10 मिनट आप उसको रख सकते हैं. ऑलराइट. एंड केक बेक होने के बाद इमीडिएटली उसको ओवन से बाहर मत निकालिए, उसको ओवन में ही धीरे धीरे कूल होने दीजिए. ऑलराइट. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस फॉर बेकिंग एंड देन लेट्स गेट रेडी फॉर आइसिंग.
तृप्ति दीक्षित, चित्रा जाधव, रेखा गंगवानी, अंशुल अग्रवाल, Miss Kavita Uttam Chandani, thank you so much for writing in the recipe. Jayashri Brain, Gloria, Nidhi Ladha, Somi Bandopadhyay, Sonal Chawla.
Yes, I've put the cake for baking. इसके पहले भी बहुत बार मैंने दिखाया है कि ओवन में आप कैसे बेक कर सकते हो, कुकर में भी कर सकते हो. So all the other details are already there. Today's attraction is the icing, so we are going to get started with that. Cake stand. I already have a sponge ready. आप देख सकते हैं ब्यूटीफुल नाइस मॉइस्ट स्पंज. तो मेरे पास ये ऑलरेडी रेडी है. Right? So meanwhile now I'm going to ice. Icing is something which can't be explained. ये आपको observe करना पड़ेगा how it is being done. And when you make the cake and the recipe, you will understand the taste, texture, and everything. So now I'm going to do the icing. Meanwhile, if you have any questions, I would like to answer, and you can also observe whatever is happening. I'm just slicing off the top.
I think people are more interested in the technique right now, what they are seeing.
It's a really nice and moist cake. So I'm not going to use any syrup today. And actually the thing with the fudge cake is a beautiful layer of the icing. So मैंने केक को 2 parts में divide किया है, right? 2 clean parts. Sometimes it happens कि थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे टेढ़ा हो जाता है. So what I like to do, your table or your granite surface is always flat. तो ये ऐसे रखिए and अगर कुछ भी excess रहेगा थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा जो level off नहीं हुआ है तो this just levels off. Yes, this is already leveled off. So now the top side goes on the bottom and the other side comes on the top. So you get a very nice finish.
Miss Trupti Dikshit is asking, any online recorded class are available?
Yes, we do have cake classes and many other classes as well. As I've already mentioned before also, we do conduct different kinds of classes. Latest was the breads at home class that we had conducted. So you can connect with us on Instagram or Facebook. Our number is already there in this ad as well. Or you can Google us, Shamli's Bake Creations, and you will definitely get our number. And you can contact us for any online classes. Okay, so this is an icing that I have already prepared. I'm just taking some of it. Just to show you, जो हमने बनाया था, ये देखिए. अब ये completely room temperature पे ठंडा हो गया है. Just see how beautiful and shiny this is. तो इसको हमें थोड़ा सा चिल करना पड़ेगा फ्रिज में अराउंड फॉर 2 आवर्स. मेरे पास प्री मेड है एक सेम आइसिंग जो मैंने बना के रखा था. आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दैट.
Miss Nikita is asking, can you mention the water used to put coffee powder is hot, warm or room temp?
It's room temperature. Okay, so now just little bit. just little bit of icing on the base ताकि वो shift ना हो. And this lovely icing that we have, I'm just lightly beating it so that it's nice and spreadable. Nice big dollop of the icing. I always like to use a cranked up palette knife. Some use flat. I prefer this. It's always easier to ice. While icing, you always add a little extra and then you can always take off which you think is more. This is a very old school kind of a cake. Something you can enjoy with a cup of chai or coffee. Okay. Now here you can do a lot of variations. Okay, you can add some chopped chocolates, some chopped nuts, maybe Nutella. आपको जो भी पसंद है आप वो इसके अंदर ऐड कर सकते हैं. As I said, the sponge is beautiful, moist and fresh. मैंने कोई soaking का इस्तेमाल नहीं किया है. If you want, you can use a sugar syrup. And now turning the cake upside down. We take little icing at a time.
Kashish Kukudeja is asking, instead of butter, can we add oil?
No. Butter adds flavor and butter adds shine. Oil will not do the same thing. Unless you're making a drip glaze or something like that. This is a fudge icing. It's a fun activity to do with your kids as well, because we are not making a super smooth, super finished cake. This is specially for some occasion, Father's Day, which the kids can make for their father. And as you saw, the recipe itself was fairly simple. तो आपको कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा effort भी नहीं था केक बनाने में. And if you don't want to do all this, then Shamli's Bake Creations has two beautiful variants of cake for Father's Day. We have a lovely roasted almond dark chocolate cake and also a tropical punch, which is slightly like a pina colada. So these two offerings for Father's Day. You can definitely place your orders with us. Right. So I've covered the cake. Okay. And I'm going to use a scraper, right? This gives a nice and clean finish. You can even clean your board. And the tops. Just smoothing out the top. Now what I'm going to do is ये जो आइसिंग मेरे पास है, I'm going to melt this in the microwave. अगर माइक्रोवेव ना हो तो आप गैस पे भी थोड़ा सा इसको मेल्ट कर सकते हैं. And I'm going to melt it slightly so we can smoothly finish the cake. While it's melting, just a quick cleanup, and if you have any questions, we'd like to answer.
Are we supposed to keep both the rods on? Is
While baking the cake, yes.
we have Harry Subbu saying, "Nice to see young generation having the passion for cooking and baking."
Thank you. Right. So ये आपने देखा होगा, हमने इसको बेसिक कवर किया है, right? I'm showing you a very simple method of making it. We just cut the cake in 2 parts. Beautiful layer of the fudge icing और ऊपर से हमने covering किया है, and it's covered from all sides, alright? अब हमने क्या किया, जो सेम आइसिंग हमारा चिल्ड था उसको मैंने थोड़ा सा मेल्ट किया. Okay? And now probably a dull looking cake will magically turn into something beautiful and nice and shiny. And I have some golden sprinkles, so I'm going to use that as well. Always keep a wet cloth so you can clean your knife. Just pouring this. अब जो भी एक्सेस है just lift it off with your palette knife. Just tapping it slightly, तो जो भी excess है that will drip off. Okay. Nice and done. And now what I'm going to do, just with the palette knife, and some lovely golden sprinkles on the border.
कैलाश पाटिल is asking, ये रेसिपी रिकॉर्डेड रहेगी क्या?
Yes, the recipe is available on Amul India's Facebook page. Right. Nice and done. It looks delicious. Looks rustic? No, it looks fancy. It looks really nice. It tastes super delicious. It's a beautiful thing to do it with your kids as well. Fairly simple. It's a good quality ingredients that of course Amul provides, and of course that Shamli's Bake Creation uses in its bakery. So if you want to order these cakes from us, you can definitely order your birthday cakes, your special occasion cakes, even for Father's Day. You can place your order with us at Shamli's Bake Creations. Yes, we do deliver in Mumbai, Thane, Navi Mumbai. So you can contact us for such amazing and delicious cakes. We believe in simple, tasty and delicious cakes, not just always fancy stuff that works. We make your every occasion special with the special touch that we add and the good quality ingredients that we use. I'm pretty sure you're going to try this cake. It's my favorite chocolate fudge cake recipe and it's eggless. So do try this recipe. And I know cake icing आप आधे घंटे में नहीं सीख सकते हो, या cake making भी आप आधे घंटे में नहीं सीख सकते हो. It takes practice. So practice, practice, practice. I've been practicing for the last 8 years and that is how I can do it every single day. So ये video definitely available है on Amul India's page. So you watch the video again, learn the recipe, practice. Also, if you are serious about baking, then you can definitely join our classes. You can contact us, Shamli's Bake Creations, Instagram and Facebook. Our number is also available, so you can definitely check that out. Thank you so much for watching us today. This is a beautiful cake. I'm going to send some pictures of this, cut them nicely, and we are going to enjoy this cake. You please try this cake. आप सबका शुक्रिया आज का वीडियो देखने के लिए. थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया है, but I'm pretty sure you will enjoy the recipe. So thank you so much again. Bye bye. Have a nice evening.